Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial for the Sacred Heart University housing selection process for 2021. In this tutorial, I will show you what the housing selection process will look like and provide some important information to keep in mind when selecting housing. We begin the process on the My Housing page. The link to this page is available in the email you've received from ResLife regarding the housing selection. From your home page, you will see that the room selection process is open with a check mark next to it. Here, we are using a test lottery 2021, but yours will say what day of the process you are selecting on. Below that, there will be a brief description, and then you will be able to see what time you are selecting on and when it's starting. Your priority numbers are listed below that. This is how start times are determined. Finally, if you scroll down, you will see your selection times listed right above the Select a Room/Suite button. We will be clicking the Select a Room/Suite button to begin the housing selection process. On this screen, you will see your eligibility to select a room and the ending time for that selection process. Below that, you will see your completed roommate group and the size of the group. At the bottom, you will have the Select From Room list. Click this bar and you will be able to find your desired room. First, I will be showing you how to see all available rooms for your group. This is not recommended. It is recommended that you use the hall filter that you can see here, but I will demonstrate how to use that after this. If you click the Search Available Rooms button with the hall filter empty, you will see every available room for your group. This number of options may be overwhelming, so let's use the filter. If you scroll back up to Select from Room List, you will be able to click the hall filter and see all available halls for this housing selection process. If you wanted to search in Scholars Commons, you select SC1 Augustine Hall, which is Scholars Commons Building 1, and click Search Available Rooms. As you can see, there are no rooms available because our group is size 4. This will pop up if there is not a room available in the hall that you have selected for your group size. Now let's try looking at Cabrini Hall. If you go back to Select from Room List and switch your hall, then click Search Available Rooms, the rooms available in that hall will pop up once again. If your group decides that they aren't interested in these options, you can scroll back up to Select from Room List, switch over to a different building, and then click Search those available rooms. Once your group has decided on a hall, you will have to pick a room. Let's say this group decides on room 21. You can see here that it's split up into 3 bedrooms. Room C is a double, and A and B are singles. The first person who is selected is the person running the process. If your group has decided that you will be getting a single, select the single that you are interested in. We'll pick room 21A. After you've selected your bed, you are taken to the screen where you have to fill out the rest of the room. Please note that you will not be able to submit your room selection until every bed has been filled. Let's say, for example, that the group has decided that Alex will be taking the other single in this room. As we saw, room B is the other single and only 1 bed is listed, so we'll click on this drop down and your group will be listed, and you will select Alex. That leaves Colby and Graham in the last 2 beds. Now that each bed in the room has been filled, you will be able to click Submit Room Selection. Please keep in mind that once this button is clicked, the roommate pairings are locked in, so double check to make sure everyone is in the room that they have requested. When you click the Submit Room Selection button, your entire group will receive a confirmation email. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, please reach out to reslife@sacredheart.edu.